Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Ranger, 2006 to 2011? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2006 Ford Ranger protects and distributes power to interior electrical components like lights, radio, and power windows. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2008 Ford Ranger controls and protects circuits for interior features like lights, audio system, and power accessories. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2009 Ford Ranger protects and manages electrical circuits for interior systems such as lighting, audio, and power features. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2010 and 2011 Ford Ranger safeguards and distributes power to interior electrical components like lighting, radio, and power windows. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2006 Ford Ranger protects and controls power distribution to engine-related systems like the ignition, fuel pump, and cooling fan. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2008 Ford Ranger distributes and safeguards power to critical engine and drivetrain systems such as the ignition, fuel system, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box 2.3-liter engine in the 2007, 2009, 2010, and 2011 Ford Ranger protects and distributes power to essential systems like the engine control unit, fuel system, ignition, and cooling components. The engine compartment fuse box in 3-liter and 4-liter engine Ford Rangers, 2007, 2009, 2010, and 2011 manages and protects power distribution to vital engine and drivetrain components like the PCM, fuel pump, ignition, and cooling systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.